Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture. So in this lecture we will see how we can add the insulation on any equipment. For that what we have to do, I already modeled insulation as you see in your screen. I modeled 25 mm insulation. I will delete that and model once again. We will click that equipment. So I select this equipment, click on the select instead and click on the clip object. Okay, so the only equipment here visible. So now what we have to do, on which part you want to add insulation, select that in shape. Okay, so in top view we will see this and select on the shape, and now I will copy that shape. Like I click on the Control C and I give the reference point, and I click on the Control V to paste that, and keep in the mind that we have to select this paste in the place. Okay, and then click on the OK. Now at this position don't exit that, just go to the property on the same shape we pasted, and we have to increase the size or increase the diameter. The actual my diameter is now 1220 is there, so I increase size by 25 mm. Add the insulation in this 1290 and put the value here. So I consider this 1220 and I add the insulation to 25 mm, so the value is 1245. Okay, to do, click on the display accept and just click the simple physical and click on the insulation, click on the OK. Now we have to apply this and click on the OK. Now here you find 25 mm insulation placed successfully. So you will find the insulation is visible here. So we will see once another shape also for even better understanding. So I just click on the another shape. So now this time we will add the insulation on this shape. So I click here and first I change the view. Now it's okay. Again I select the shape. I click on the Control C for copy that and click on the, also place the button on Control V. And after clicking on Control V, just we will do once again. So I did not put on the reference point. I select the Control C, use the reference position here and click on the Control V, and I write on the place button, click on the OK. So the shape placed on the same position. Now with the same shape we have to go to the properties and I increase this diameter size by 25 mm. So just I already told we have to increase, or whatever the insulation you want you can give. So this time we will give the 50 mm insulation. Okay, so I consider this B is our diameter, so 1830 we will consider. So we will add 50 directly here. So 1878. So 1878. Okay, so 50 mm are in that. So add in that. So the value become the 1878. And now click here. Now we have to click on display accept and click the simple physical and click on the insulation. Click on the OK and apply this. So once again we have to apply. Now insulation added successfully on this position. Okay, so in this way you can add the insulation on the equipment. I hope this video will be helpful to guys in the modeling. So also I want to tell you that I already uploaded 3 lecture on this channel. You can also visit that, and if you like this video you can subscribe also for more such a architecture or smartplant video. So you will comment the topic, I will make sure deliver the video on the required topic. So keep subscribing. Thank you.